pleasure of meeting today.
Yasin Benbaya. I am Operations Manager at Suka Logistics, responsible for the entire operation from the main village.
You bought the CC1 and the MT1 from Volin. How do you like them so far?
I must say, really as an addition, our biggest pain point was actually the amount of dust, mainly fine dust, which you can't see. Quite a persistent problem and people don't like to clean. On the other hand, it just takes a lot of time to maintain it properly. You notice that people don't clean well, and yes, with those robots it's fantastic. You just set them up, you give them fixed tasks and they do the major cleaning per square meter without you having to look at it, because yes, dust is of course not pleasant for anyone. You can get really sick from it. That's why we simply said we are going to invest in good cleaning robots.
How many square meters do the robots clean approximately for you?
Around 3,000 square meters.
How did you handle cleaning before this?
Mainly by hand.
And with the robots, you are sweeping, but you are also scrubbing with water. So the effectiveness of cleaning is much better. We have saved a lot of time, at least 5 hours, definitely per day. In the long term, it's just a win-win. In the beginning, it was exciting. I thought, will it go well, you know, while we're working? And those robots are driving around in between. But it's going really well, I must say. And when the robot is nearby, it also signals a warning of watch out, I'm working here, be careful, watch out. And it also stops automatically so it can't run into you.
How efficient are the robots actually compared to the manual cleaning we just talked about?
The beauty of this is actually day and night, because we operate 24/7. It doesn't require putting people on cleaning every time, and those robots are just set up permanently.
And what was actually the staff's reaction to this? Did the staff like it, find it easier, or?
They're direct. What a cool thing. Wow, how awesome.
Wow, what a beautiful technology. Volink has simply made an app with which we can control the robots. The tasks that are just preset, I can. At any time, I can change them. They have actually made a complete map of the entire warehouse, divided into zones, and I can see exactly in the app which tasks have already been done, which tasks still need to be done, and how long someone has been busy. We have a group of team leaders, so all the team leaders have the app. I can already tell you that we are very happy with it as a team.
Would you, for example, recommend the robots, the CC1 as well as the MT1 to another similar entrepreneur?
Certainly. By the way, I have already recommended it to the neighbor who is also in logistics. It just makes a difference. It's just very efficient. And maintaining the robot is also user-friendly, less than a minute. Changing brushes, emptying the hatch drip tray. You can't do that with staff. Staff can't keep cleaning non-stop. And that's what's nice about those robots.
How has your experience been working with Fuller Room so far?
We have experienced it as very positive, because Fuller Room also thinks along with us, and that is actually the success of our collaboration. We chose to. When one robot finishes sweeping, it automatically signals the scrubbing robot, like, I'm done with this route, with my task. Yes, now it's your turn, and that's very nice. But you can also let them work separately. If needed, you can quickly adjust that.
But actually quite ideal. First, the coarse dirt is removed by the MT1, then the CC1 follows, and then comes the scrubbing, and that's it.
That's just for the best result. And you can see behind us the floor, which is happily shining again. So that's nice.